Hello, everyone. If you own a garden or a compost bin, odds are you probably bumped into this segmented, long looking creature. This creature is actually a millipede, and contrary to popular belief, these millipedes are actually not insects at all. They're meropods and are more closely related to crabs, lobsters, and other crustaceans in the ocean. Millipedes tend to be confused with centipedes, but there are big differences. Millipedes often are longer, are slower moving, and have two pairs of legs per segment. Millipedes are also decomposers and feed mainly on decaying plant matter. Centipedes have only one pair of legs per segment, are faster, they're venomous, and are actually carnivorous. Millipedes, despite the name, actually rarely have over 100 pair of legs. Millipedes do not bite. They're actually very gentle, but when threatened, they do release a chemical that can be irritating to the skin. So it's strongly advised to handle with care or just let them be and let them do their job. While millipedes can look a bit terrifying at first glance, it's important to remember that these creatures won't do any harm to you and are actually really important decomposers in maintaining healthy ecosystems and soils. While you don't have to cuddle up with your next millipede encounter, it's important to respect them and let them do their job and know that they are a good sign of a healthy garden. Thanks for watching.